She only the one you feel the amount of food you can down here.
You are welcome. This is what we have been expecting for over a year now. We have been in the process, but glory be to God for giving us the grace. Yeah, we have finally achieved our aim.
But everybody, boss of one, getting the Nimana juice, bunny. I made a name for you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to greet you this morning, wherever you are hearing my voice or view my video. I want to say good morning to wherever you are, good afternoon and good evening, because it depends on the country you are. I'm Boyega Samuel Omishore by name, a Nigerian counterpart of BST company based in Russia. I'm here. I'm glad to introduce one of our potential customers that came to our warehouse in Nigeria, in Oyo State. So I will show. I will let you know what he has to say for now.
Good day, everyone. My name is John Ban Aliu. Well, I'm into drilling business. I'm a graduate of mechanical engineering. So I've been in a drilling business for close to 20 years, and I've been on my own for about 15 years. The first 5 years, I worked with a couple of companies. Yeah, I was glad when a couple of months ago, Mr. Boyega Omishore introduced me to BST and told me about drilling equipment has to be coming from Russia. Well, I've always known equipment or machines that come from Russia have been solid one, especially when it comes to drilling. So when I was told, I was very eager to see the equipment. And just, I think a couple of weeks ago, he called me and told me that the equipment were in Nigeria. So again, I was very eager to come and see them. And getting here, I feel so amazed to see how the equipment look like. So compact and also appear very solid. In fact, I told him that he should just allow me to take one of them immediately to site and begin to use it to drill. And something interesting about the equipment is that I was made to understand, and from the look of things, that there is one of them that uses petrol and another one that uses diesel powered engine. And interestingly again, there are two engines on each of the drilling equipment. And of course, drilling pipes, drilling bits, and some other component parts. So the equipment, from the look of things, is brand new and ready to drill. So I just wish I can get one immediately and begin to use it. Well, I've seen different equipment before, but this is one of the best I think I am coming across now. So I believe that anybody that sees it would like to want to get any one of them and move it to site. So I am made to understand they can drill as deep as a 150 meter, and there's another 120 meter, and those are very perfect equipment for either basement or sedimentary. So someone like me, I believe if I get any one of them, I'm taking it to sedimentary terrain to begin work immediately. So I recommend Mr. Gboyega Omishore to anybody who is interested in purchasing any of the two equipment. I believe some other ones are still coming. So get in touch with him for your own. I can assure you, you are not going to regret getting any one of the equipment. So I also look forward to getting one of them. Thank you once again.
Can hear what our potential customer have said concerning the product we are talking about, and by viewing you can see every machine on the ground that is now ready for drill. So I'm also inviting every one of you to come around and look at the machine, because the first come first serve. So there is no preference for anyone.